I built an AI Dream Journal app with Flutter, and I want to show you everything. The full flow from first open to getting your dream interpreted by Claude AI. When you open the app for the first time, you land on the onboarding. It walks you through what the app does, record your dreams, get AI interpretations, discover patterns in your subconscious. Clean, minimal, dark theme that actually fits the whole dream aesthetic. Then we hit the auth screen. You can sign in with Google or Apple. One tap, no forms, no password to remember. I'll sign in with Google. Done. That's it. Now we're on the home screen. First thing you notice is the night sky background with these subtle glow effects. I wanted the whole app to feel like you're actually inside a dream. At the top, you can see your quota. 3 free interpretations today. Below that, there's the pattern analysis card, which I'll come back to later. That's a premium feature. And at the bottom, there's the Record Dream button. Let me record a dream. I'll type one. Let's say I dreamed that my YouTube channel hit 1 million subscribers. Tap Interpret. While it's loading, hit like and subscribe. More apps like this coming soon. And here's the result. First, we get a summary. A 2 to 3 sentence overall interpretation of what this dream means. Then, we get the symbols. Every significant element from the dream broken down individually. In this case, things like the channel itself, the number 1 million, the act of being watched. Each one has its own meaning explained. Below that is the emotional connection. This is where it gets interesting. Claude connects the dream to your actual waking life. What emotions might be driving it? What you might be working through subconsciously? And then at the bottom, the reflection question. One single question designed to make you think. This is honestly my favorite part of the whole app because it turns a dream into an actual moment of self-reflection. Things like, what would it mean for you if the world truly recognized your work? That hits different at 7 a.m. Now, let's go back to the home screen. You can see the dream is now saved in the journal. Every dream you record stays here. You can tap any of them to go back and reread the interpretation anytime. Now, let me show you what happens when you hit the free limit. After 3 interpretations, you get a quota exceeded screen. And instead of just a dead end, there's an upgrade button that opens the paywall. The paywall is a modal that slides up from the bottom. Unlimited interpretations, pattern analysis, and infinite dream journal history, all for $4.99 a month. Less than a coffee. Cancel anytime. Let me show you what pattern analysis actually does because this is the premium feature I'm most proud of. Once you have enough dreams recorded, Claude analyzes all of them together, finds recurring symbols across different dreams, identifies your dominant themes, and gives you an overall psychological insight about what your subconscious has been working on. It's like having someone read your entire dream journal and tell you what they see. One more thing, the app is not live yet. I haven't published it to the App Store or Google Play, but if you're interested, leave a comment below. If there's enough people who actually want to use this, I'll do a part 2 where I go through the whole launch process, submitting to the stores, setting up the paywall properly, and starting to get real users. So, if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. That's the full app. Built entirely in Flutter with Claude API BLoC, clean architecture, Google and Apple sign-in, and a working paywall. If you want to see more apps like this, subscribe. I drop new builds regularly.